Welcome to this guided meditation to increase vitality. Come into a comfortable seat. Allow your eyes to come to close. And begin to shift your attention inward. And for these first few moments, bring one hand to rest right over your chest, and bring another hand to rest over your belly. And as you breathe in and as you breathe out, just feel the breath moving through your body beneath your hands. Allowing this awareness of your breath and the sensation of the breath beneath your hands to help you call all parts of you back home to your body. Calling all parts of you back home to this moment. Feeling how the body expands beneath your hands as you breathe in, and how your body softens and releases away from your hands as you breathe out. And on your exhalation, invite your whole body to relax. Letting go of any tension in your jaw. Letting go of holding in the shoulders. Feeling down the length of your spine to your tailbone, and feeling a release through the tailbone, through your hips, your pelvis, letting your body become heavy and grounded. And then feel free to release your hands and just let them rest in your lap or over your knees or thighs. And zoom in again on your breath. Each time we breathe in, we are delivering fresh oxygen and life force energy to every cell in the body. And each time we breathe out, it's an opportunity to let go of toxins and waste and whatever no longer serves us. So using the breath, we are going to bring vitality to the body, increase energy, and increase the potential for health on all levels. So begin to deepen your breath. Breathing down into the base of your lungs. Breathing into the front and the back of your lungs. And then stretching your breath down even deeper into your belly. And as you physically stretch the breath, also stretch out your inhales and your exhales. So allow them to grow a little bit longer. And then see if you can feel your breath stretching out towards your arms, down into your hands, and even down into your pelvis, your legs, your feet. Breathing in oxygen and an abundance of life force energy to revitalize your entire body. Fill up with the inhalation, and then as you breathe out, know that you are letting go of stress, of tension, of exhaustion, toxins, waste, anything that's not serving you. And it can be helpful to imagine the breath like a liquid light that's flowing through your body. So as you breathe in, maybe you visualize golden light drawing in through the nose and traveling down into the torso, moving down into the legs, spreading out into the arms. And then as you breathe out, you can see that golden light traveling up and back out through the nose. Repeat that a few more times. Breathing in, letting the entire body receive this nourishment from the breath. Breathing out, allowing any old energy to be washed away by this liquid light. Exhaling it out. And for the last minute, notice if there's any place in your body today that's feeling sore or painful, achy, tense. And let's bring a little extra energy, a little extra breath to that area to support it in letting go, to support it in becoming healed, whatever it may need. So as you breathe in, directing this liquid light of the breath to travel directly to any areas in need of extra love this morning. Any areas in need of extra love today. And as you breathe out, just invite that part of your body to let go. Invite that part of your body to release and surrender anything that's bringing it down, that's causing it to be achy or in pain. Just letting the exhalation sweep it away and release it. Beautiful. Now to wrap up this session, to seal in all of this vitality that you cultivated, bring one hand to rest over your chest again, and one hand to rest over your belly. Acknowledging that movement of breath beneath your hands. Feeling gratitude for your body, gratitude for your breath, for the abundance of positive healing energy available to you, and gratitude for this moment and having the time and space to give yourself this nourishing practice. Take one last deep breath in through the nose. Sigh it out through an open mouth. Have a beautiful rest of your day.